This is a weaving machine with 7 frames. That means 14 heels would be arranged in a single row. A single yarn passes through the eye of one heeled and rubs alongside the other 13 heels. In the machine having ordinary heels start moving, the yarn gets rubbed more as the contact area between the yarn and the ordinary heeled is much larger. This creates more friction, leading to more thread breakage. Whereas on the other hand, the AAS S-heeled has the S-planar geometry and elliptical cross-section, because of which the rubbing between the thread and heeled is less, leading to less friction and less thread breakage. It is found that on an average, the thread breakage with S-heeled is half of that compared to the ordinary heeled. In S-heeled, it is easier to insert hand and find broken yarn. The AAS S-heeled comes with dual eye. After every cycle of 1 month of heeled usage, the ordinary heeled becomes rugged and old, but with S-heeled, just flip, and you are ready to start a fresh life. With AASS heeled, the thread breakage is less, which means the knots in between the cloth are less. With the S-heeled, better fabric quality is produced, leading to less rejection.